Hi, Dr. Baumholtz, Baumholtz Plastic Surgery, and I'd like to respond to a question that we got recently, and that is aesthetic surgery or is cosmetic surgery irreversible or is it permanent? Well, it's a great question. I wish I had a little more detail so I knew exactly what I was going to answer, but I'll say these generalities. So the scars are permanent. If someone has implants and at some point in their life decides that they don't want to have implants, implants can be removed. If someone has a tummy tuck, where the muscles are tightened and the skin is removed and the fat may be removed or liposuctioned, I don't know that that's reversible per se, although I can't imagine a scenario where someone would want that reversible. Same thing with a facelift. Rhinoplasty is one of the more delicate conversations in the sense that rhinoplasty is really tied up into our self-image. And so the notion of changing someone's nose and changing their central facial shape and appearance is a permanent thing, and that's often very hard to undo. And it won't take long to look at Google or celebrity pictures and see where people have been changed in ways that make them unrecognizable, which is why we try to go for subtle changes in our practice when it comes to that. Every now and then, one topic that does bear mentioning is every now and then I will do a breast reduction. So a gal's had very large breasts most of her life, and she desires to have them reduced, and I will reduce them, and it's typically about a year later they will represent to the office, and the conversation goes something like this, that their self-image and how they see themselves is tied up in being a larger breasted woman, and we'll end up putting implants in to restore some of that volume. It's not a common thing, but it is one of the kinds of things where we've made a change based on what someone says they desire, and then as they learn to live with it, they realize that they want something different. That's okay. So we do have some answers for that. Well, I hope whoever asked that question, that addresses your question about is plastic surgery permanent. The scars are permanent, but most of the procedures do have some ability to continue to modify. And if you'd like to know more, please contact me at the office. Dr. Baumholtz, thank you.